Welcome to the absolute future of culinary craftsmanship. Today, we witness the birth of a masterpiece, where AI-driven precision meets the ancient sacred art of forging. In this high-tech sanctuary, raw materials are transformed. We are redefining the limits of metallurgy, pushing the boundaries of what a professional kitchen tool can truly do. Every movement is calculated, and every spark is a testament to quality. This is where the power of modern engineering breathes life into the heart of steel. The result is a blade so sharp, it defies expectation. Before we see the finish, let us explore the rigorous journey of fire, ice, and automated perfection. Our journey begins deep within the metallurgy lab, where the perfect balance of carbon and chromium is selected to create the ultimate foundation for our blades. Advanced algorithms design every curve for maximum efficiency. Every millimeter is scrutinized by artificial intelligence to ensure the perfect weight distribution and a lifetime of performance. Listen to the symphony of the machines. This is a world where human error is eliminated, replaced by the relentless consistency of high-performance robotic systems and sensors. The stage is set for a revolution in cutlery. Prepare to see how the purest high-carbon steel is transformed into a legendary tool for the world's chefs. It all starts with the purest high-carbon steel. These massive coils represent the raw potential of our craft, selected for their incredible strength and edge retention properties. Our quality control begins at the molecular level. Each batch is verified for structural integrity, ensuring that only the finest materials move forward to the cutting phase. Precision is the heartbeat of our process. Our CNC laser systems operate with a tolerance of less than 0.01 millimeters, creating the perfect silhouette. The laser cuts with surgical accuracy, following a digital blueprint that has been optimized for balance. No traditional method can match this level of geometric perfection and speed. As the laser finishes, our robotic handling systems take over. These automated arms move with incredible grace, carefully extracting each blade blank from the parent steel sheet. Every blank is a carbon copy of the last, ensuring absolute uniformity across our entire production line. As this consistency is the foundation of a truly professional grade tool. Efficiency and art combined here. Thousands of blades are born every day, each one starting its journey as a precise laser-cut silhouette ready for the fires of transformation. Look at the edge quality. The laser leaves a finish so clean that it requires minimal preparation, allowing us to focus on the structural integrity of the steel. Now the blanks are prepared for the most critical phase. They are about to enter the heat treatment zone, where they will find their true strength and soul. Heat treatment is the soul of the knife. We use advanced induction heating to bring the steel to over 1,000 degrees Celsius in a matter of seconds. This intense heat reorganizes the molecular structure of the high-carbon steel. It is a violent, beautiful transformation that prepares the blade for a lifetime of extreme sharpness. The process is monitored by thermal sensors that adjust the power in real time. Even a 1-degree variance is corrected instantly to maintain the highest quality standards possible. From extreme heat to sub-zero cold, we use cryogenic hardening at -180 degrees Celsius to maximize the steel's hardness and its overall wear resistance. This thermal shock creates a fine-grained crystalline structure. The result is a Rockwell hardness of 62+, making the blade incredibly tough yet capable of extreme sharpness. To ensure the blade isn't brittle, we perform a precise tempering process. This relieves internal stresses, giving the steel the flexibility and elasticity it needs for heavy use. Balance is everything in metallurgy. We trade a fraction of hardness for immense durability, ensuring the knife can withstand the rigors of a professional, fast-paced kitchen environment. The blade is now hardened and tempered. It has been through fire and ice, and it has emerged stronger than ever. asamnim. Ready for the next stage of grinding. Our automated systems handle these hardened blanks with extreme care. The precision of the robotic grip ensures that every subsequent process is perfectly aligned with the blade's geometry. The soul of the knife is complete. What follows is the art of the edge, where technology will sharpen the steel into a lethal culinary instrument. Efficiency, science, and power converge here. We have successfully turned a simple sheet of steel into a hardened masterpiece of engineering, ready for its final transformation. Precision is non-negotiable when it comes to the edge. Our 6-axis robots take control, moving the blade across diamond grinding wheels with absolute unwavering consistency and power. Water flows continuously to prevent overheating, protecting the steel's temper. The robot adjusts its pressure in real time, responding to sensors that detect even the slightest resistance. Our AI-controlled systems maintain a consistent 15-degree edge angle. This specific geometry provides the perfect balance between extreme sharpness and long-lasting edge durability for chefs. The grinding process is multi-staged. We move from coarse grit to achieve the shape, then gradually transition to ultra-fine stones for a polished, razor-sharp finish. Symmetry is key to a perfect cut. The robot ensures that both sides of the blade are identical, providing a straight and effortless slice through any ingredient. Under the microscope, the edge is a thing of beauty. No jagged teeth or irregularities, just a clean, microscopic line that is ready to divide atoms. The entire line is synchronized. While one robot shapes the primary bevel, another performs the final honing, creating a seamless workflow of automated, high-precision culinary excellence. Every blade is scanned, and if the sensor detects a deviation of even a few microns, the robot automatically adjusts its path to correct the error instantly. The steel is now ready. It is sharp, balanced, and polished to a mirror finish. Now it needs a handle that matches its incredible, high-tech performance. Aesthetics meet function. The finish not only looks stunning, but also helps reduce drag when cutting through sticky foods, making every kitchen task much smoother. Behold the results of pure precision. These blades are now the sharpest tools in the world, waiting for the final touch of ergonomic design and assembly. A knife is only as good as its balance and comfort. We use aerospace-grade G10 and the finest exotic woods to craft handles that last a lifetime. Our CNC routers sculpt each handle for maximum ergonomics. The shape is designed to fit perfectly in the hand, reducing fatigue during long hours in the kitchen. Durability starts with the bond. We use high-strength epoxy to seal the handle to the steel, ensuring no moisture can ever enter the internal structure. The assembly is permanent. 5 tons of hydraulic pressure fuse the materials together, creating a solid single unit that can withstand extreme temperatures and heavy daily use. Structural integrity is reinforced with precision rivets. These are not just for show. They lock the handle in place, ensuring it will never loosen or wobble. Now comes the final polish. The handle is buffed until it is smooth as glass. It retains a textured grip that is safe even when wet. The transition is flawless. You cannot feel where the steel ends and the handle begins. This seamless construction is essential for both hygiene and professional comfort. Every piece is unique. We mark each knife with a serial number, a mark of authenticity that guarantees its origin and the high standards of our factory. Perfect balance is achieved. A well-balanced knife feels like an extension of the arm, allowing for more precise movements and a much more enjoyable cooking experience. The assembly is complete. What was once a raw sheet of steel is now a sophisticated culinary tool, but it must still pass our ultimate tests. We leave nothing to chance. Every handle is stressed and inspected to ensure it meets our rigorous standards for strength and long-term ergonomic performance in the kitchen. Every single blade undergoes rigorous testing. If it cannot slice through silk with just its own weight, it never leaves our facility. Sharpness is our promise. The tomato test is the gold standard. Watch as the blade glides through the delicate skin without any pressure, preserving the integrity of the food perfectly. Whether it's delicate vegetables or tough proteins, our blades offer unparalleled cutting performance. This is the difference that true precision and robotic engineering make. Technology verifies what the eye cannot see. Our laser scanners confirm that the edge profile is perfect down to the micron, ensuring consistent performance for every user. Human expertise still plays a role. Our master inspectors perform final spot checks to ensure that every knife meets the aesthetic and functional standards of our brand. We test for longevity. Our knives are designed to stay sharp longer, requiring less maintenance and providing a more reliable tool for the most demanding professional chefs. The blade is flawless. After passing all tests, it is cleaned and prepared for its journey to a kitchen where it will become a trusted companion. Our commitment to quality is absolute. Only the blades that achieve a perfect score are allowed to move to the final packaging and shipping department. Presentation is the final step. Our knives are packaged in luxury cases that reflect the quality of the tool inside, protected for their journey to your kitchen. The power of steel, refined by technology. Now this is the ultimate tool for the modern chef. Experience the precision and elevate your culinary art to a new level.